Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to upgrade the VMware connection server. So first I will show you the published server desktop from the Horizon. So we have published one server desktop as of now. Let me launch it. We'll show you the access and then we'll upgrade the connection server from 8.2006 version to 8.2012 version. Yeah, we can able to access the desktop which is published from the VMware Horizon. So now I'm going to log off the server desktop. Sign out. Okay, now go to the connection server. So when you are upgrading the connection server, for example, in the site, if you have multiple connection server, you have to do it on the standard connection server, not in replica connection server. So to identify, suppose for example, if we have multiple connection server, so you need to identify which is the like a primary, that is a standard connection server. So by checking on the registry setting, you can come to know this is a replica or else standard connection server. If it is one, that is the standard connection server. If it is two, that is a replica connection server. So this is the standard connection server, so that is the primary one. So we are going to do the upgrade on first on the standard connection server. Before upgrading the connection server, we have to take the backup of this Adam database. So I am going to initiate the backup now. So select the connection server, initiate the backup. So backup is process. So again we need to do it for the another connection server. Backup now. So just go to the here, this is a path to have the backup file. So under backup folder you can see the backup files here. Yeah, so we have taken the backup. So this is a timestamp, you can verify it once. Okay, then I will show you to take backup in another method as well. Suppose in this method we can use it when you are trying to reinstall the connection server role. If anything goes wrong, we can use this method to export the uh, Adam database, and then once we reinstall the connection server we can re-import it. So this is the location to export and import the Adam database. This is a utility, we can use it. So already I typed the command in the notepad, so I am going to execute this command in the command prompt. So just execute, then use this command to export the configuration of the VMware Horizon, that is Adam database. Just paste it here. Now go to this location, you can see the backup file for the Adam database. So here you can see, so once you reinstalled it, you can import this configuration file into the connection server by using this vdm import command. So now we are going to disable this connection server to upgrade. So first disable this connection server 1. So here you can see disable. Now you can close this window, just launch the exe file to upgrade it to 8021 2012 version. Right now it's running with 802006 version. So once we done the upgrade on the connection server 1, we can do it on the connection server 2. Here you can see the connection server build version is 8.0.0.165.92.062. Let's see after the installation what is the build version for the connection server. Click next, accept the license agreement. So installation has been completed. Click finish. Now try to launch the console. Here you can see the version. Before it was 2006 and now it's 2012 because we have upgraded from 2006 to 2012. Now we can enable, so we can disable the connection server 2. So now connection to 2 is disabled state. Now we can proceed the upgrade. So this is the exe file, just execute it. Accept the license. So installation has been completed. Now we can enable the connection server 2 on the portal. Now it's a disabled state, we need to enable it. So now we can try to access the application through connection server 2 link. Yeah, it's connecting. Let me connected, launch a desktop. Yeah, desktop we can able to launch it. So it seems connection server 2 also working fine after the upgrade. Try to launch the console here. So in this infrastructure, we are not using any security server or else UAG, because security server is not supported for 8.0 version. So we need to use the UAG for the external user access. But since we don't have external user access, so that's why we are having connection server only. So before upgrade, we need to take the snapshot also, but I forgot to tell you these things. So if anything goes wrong, we can uninstall the connection server role on the replica server. In standard server, we can import the backup data. So once we import it, then we can install the connection server role on the replica server, so that it will get the update from the standard connection server. So in connection server 2 also you can see the version 2012. Before it was 2006. So we can able to access the Horizon View Administration Console without any issue after the upgrade from 2006 to 2012 version. So thank you. If you have any doubt, or else if you want to see some more videos related to VMware Horizon, you can put me on the comment so that I can create video and I will upload on the YouTube. Thank you.